Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so this is what happened. A week and a half ago, we went to help a friend fix his truck out in the desert, and I broke my handle here. Okay, and this video is for Toyota Tundra owners, the first generation Tundra. And if you're curious as to how they look like, this is the first generation Tundra. So you kind of get the idea of how it looks like. Okay, so basically I broke my tailgate handle here, so now I can't open it. See, as you can see here. So I ordered a new tailgate latch or handle to replace the old one. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this thing right here. So if you're interested, come along with me and we'll do this project together. So okay, so as you can see, the handle's broken and there's no way for me to open it. So what I need to do is I need to access the inside of this panel here from in here. Okay, and to start with that, I have to take off these bolts right here. Okay, and if you can see here, I've got that one off. There's quite a few bolts that you have to take off. And as always, a project is fun. Okay, it's always fun to do a project. Let's see. There's some more bolts over here. These are torsion bolts. So you have to get the right torsion bits to take it off. So once that's off, you lift this out like this. Okay, and throw that piece on the ground. This thing comes off. As you can see here, the trick here is to disconnect these without breaking it. Okay, see that? Do this, they come off and they're off. Okay, so I have to disconnect this and that. Once that's disconnected, I'll have to take that off, that bolt and this bolt off. Okay, so let me put this on hold, and when it's ready, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so let me adjust this camera. Okay, so to take these two handles out, what you do is you turn this little tab here this way. Okay, turn it that way. See how it goes that way? Okay, once that's out, move it this way. Just yank, not yank, but nicely move out the lever here. And you do the same thing with this. You don't want to force it, okay? Because you don't want to break it. It's just plastic, so you slowly move that tab right here, I don't know if you can see it, out, and then move this on the side as well. So then you'll need a number 10 socket to unbolt these, and I'll be right back. Okay, so you'll need a number 10 socket or 10mm socket, and I choose to use this little thingamajigger here instead of a power tool this time. Okay, so unbolt this, and once that's loose, that thing should be ready to fall out. Okay, shift this side, And be careful not to break any of the plastic tabs here, okay? So then you take out your newly ordered item, match it with the old item. They should be about the same. Okay, be careful not to break these little brackets here. Okay, and let me see. So it looks like I'm gonna have to, I don't know if you see it, I'm gonna have to transfer this little orange tab here to here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see how hard it is. No, it's not that hard. So I'll go get my long nose plier. I'll be right back. Okay, so I couldn't find my long nose plier, but these wire cutters work. So what you do is, if you look in here, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, there's this little thing that locks there. I don't know if you can see that little split thing. What you do is you take your needle nose plier or something that you could grab, just sort of like pinch this in and it should come out like that. Okay, so then with that done, what you want to do is you want to match this like that. Okay, so as you can see here, this part, I don't know if you can see, this part is this part right here. So you oh shoot, push this inside there. Okay, so that's done. So then if you look at here, this is the keyhole. Okay, this is the keyhole, and what we need to do is we need to unclip it so that we can use it for this one right here. Okay, so let's do that. You either use a flat screwdriver to do this, and I'm gonna have to use a flat screwdriver. I was trying to make a little shortcut, but I'll be right back. Okay, so now what I need to do is move this out like that, and it should come out like that, and then let's see. Okay, so this is out like so. Okay, so we're gonna have to push this out too. Okay, I don't know if you're seeing me here, but we're gonna have to pull this out, this little clip right here, the C clip there, out. Once that's out, we'll pull this out. Oh, you know what, I guess we didn't have to pull the C clip out. Well, anyway, so let's put the C clip back in nicely so that it'll lock in place. Okay, so it's in place and it's locked. Okay, so now the next step is to take this new unit here, okay, and then move this all the way out like how we did the other, the old unit, so that we can insert this in. Okay. Oop. Because that's what's going to happen when we open the lever. Okay, so okay. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. dinner time. Okay, so there you go, and that's as good as new. So then, don't know if you can see this, but this thing goes back in like that. How it works. And you carefully remount it. This thing like that. Okay. As you can see, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure this out. You don't want to over tighten this because it's plastic, it'll break. Okay, so that's that.